Let's learn English through real life and easy stories. Today, we asked some people, tell me the healthiest meals you can make in 10 minutes. Avocado Sandwich. I gotta admit, I'm a very picky eater and lazy. I only like certain foods and rarely make an attempt to test new ones. So once I like something, I know it's great. It all started when I was being late for work one day. I didn't want to spend too much time cooking, but I also wanted something healthy. So I decided to try making an avocado and egg sandwich. I had heard about this sandwich a few times, but never really gave it a chance. It sounded simple, and I had both ingredients in the kitchen. I boiled the eggs first. Then I started cutting the avocado in half. I was a little nervous because I hadn't tried mixing avocado with egg before. I thought, will this taste weird? But I gave it a go anyway. In a small bowl, I mashed the hard-boiled egg and avocado together. Then I mixed it all well. It smelled pretty good, to be honest. I spread the mixture over one slice of bread, making sure it was nice and even. Next, I added a few spinach leaves and some sliced tomatoes to the other slice of bread. I put the two slices of bread together and took my first bite. I was surprised at how tasty it was. The avocado and egg made the sandwich creamy, and the veggies gave it a fresh crunch. One of the best dishes I had in a long time. A bonus tip for you is that you can also add a bit of yogurt, mustard, and lemon juice, whatever you have in your kitchen. The first few times I made the sandwich, I wasn't sure about the yogurt, so I swapped it out for low-fat mayonnaise. But one day, I decided to try using Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. To my surprise, it was really tasty. The yogurt made the sandwich lighter and fresher, which I liked much better. Since then, I've been making this avocado and egg sandwich regularly. Not only is it easy to prepare, but it's also healthy and filling. It's the perfect combination of creamy and crunchy, and you'll feel full for hours. Plus, it only takes about 10 minutes to make. Oatmeal Pancakes. I'm a sweet tooth, and I find it hard to eat healthy. I always crave sweets, especially in the morning. The problem was, I didn't want to give up all my favorite breakfast treats. So if you love sweets just like me, this one is for you. Anyway, I read about oatmeal pancakes somewhere online. They sounded like a healthy option, but still sweet enough for my cravings. I was curious if I could enjoy something that was both healthy and tasty. So I started to do a quick research. And let me tell you, this recipe is so simple. All you need is oats and buttermilk. Oh, you should have a food processor or blender as well. For my first try, I just mixed everything together and the batter was smooth and ready to go. I poured the batter onto a hot griddle and cooked them just like regular pancakes. The smell was amazing, and I could already tell this was going to be good. I served them with syrup and butter for a classic taste. 10 out of 10. Absolutely delicious. The best part? It didn't take much time at all. If you prefer them sweeter, you can add some applesauce on top for extra sweetness. It made the pancakes even more delicious and filling. Sometimes I even add blueberries or other fruits for extra flavor and nutrition. The best part was that they didn't feel like healthy food. They were just pancakes, but better. Now I no longer feel guilty eating something sweet in the morning. They satisfy my sweet tooth and are much healthier than regular pancakes. These oatmeal pancakes became my go-to breakfast. I even made them for my kids, and they loved them too. I feel good knowing I'm feeding my family something nutritious and tasty. So if you're craving something sweet for breakfast but want to eat healthier, I definitely recommend making oatmeal pancakes. They are easy, quick, and so delicious. Give them a try and see how satisfying they can be. Scrambled tofu. I have been a vegan for 5 years, and this is my favorite go-to meal every breakfast, whether it's a weekday or weekend morning. Let me introduce you scrambled tofu. Scrambled tofu has become my breakfast staple, especially when I want something quick but satisfying. And yes, it is very much like your regular scrambled eggs. And let me tell you, this recipe is so simple. To start, I cook the tofu, stirring it often until the excess water has evaporated. This is important because it helps the tofu become more firm and flavorful. Once the tofu is ready, I sprinkle some black salt and seasonings like pepper, turmeric, and garlic powder. When prepared correctly, tofu is anything but bland. It's packed with protein, just like scrambled eggs, but without the animal products. Oh, if you are afraid of the long list of spices, you may not have all the spices, but you can still try it. It's just that cooking the tofu with these spices gives it a rich, savory flavor. For example, I really love how the nutritional yeast makes it taste cheesy, which really hits the spot. And if you want to add more ingredients, feel free to. I often toss in a little cumin and paprika for an extra kick. I sometimes add a splash of non-dairy milk to make it creamy and smooth. This scrambled tofu is perfect with some fresh veggies on the side, like spinach or avocado. And it's so filling that I don't get hungry before lunchtime. It's also a great way to start the day knowing you're eating something nutritious and plant-based. Even my non-vegan friends who try this are usually surprised by how delicious it is. So if you're looking for a breakfast that's both healthy and satisfying, or you want a taste of a simple vegan meal, scrambled tofu is the way to go. It's quick, flavorful, and high in protein, just like scrambled eggs, but even better. Veggie fried rice. As an Asian kid, I always loved fried rice. My dad would make it when we had leftover rice. It was delicious, and we enjoyed it a lot. But one thing I knew was that it wasn't very healthy. We used lots of rice and random food, you know? It was tasty, but not something I'd want to eat every day. As I grew up, I wanted to keep enjoying fried rice, but in a healthier way. I didn't want to give it up, so I started making my own version. And let me tell you, it's so much better now and still keeping all the flavors I love. So my classic veggie fried rice starts with peas, eggs, and corn. I toss them all with salty soy sauce and rice vinegar. The combination of these ingredients gives the fried rice a rich, savory flavor. Here's the breakdown for each ingredient. For the rice, I always use brown rice for extra fiber. It makes the fried rice feel fuller and more satisfying. I also make sure to cook it in a non-stick pan, so I don't need to use a lot of oil. I find that just a little sesame oil gives it a great taste without being too greasy. For the veggies, you can use whatever veggies in your fridge, and the result will always be delicious and healthy. I often mix in any of my other favorite vegetables, like carrots, bell peppers, and broccoli. If I have mushrooms or spinach, I throw those in too. Sometimes I add some chopped onions for a little extra taste. You really can't go wrong with whatever veggies you have. Oh, right, I almost forgot. To get more vegetables into the fried rice, I chop them into small pieces so they mix in well. The more veggies, the better. That way, you're not just eating rice, but a meal full of veggies. Since I started making this healthier version, I've been able to enjoy fried rice without feeling guilty. It's just as delicious as the one I had growing up, but now it's packed with healthy vegetables. Plus, it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your answer to the question as well. Tell me the healthiest meals you can make in 10 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.